In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your text in Canva, a useful skill that allows you to connect your designs to websites or online portfolios. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's get started, shall we? First, open up your project in Canva where you wish to add the link. Once you have the text element you want to hyperlink, take a moment to highlight the specific text. This is the segment that will become your clickable link, so make sure it's selected accurately. After highlighting your text, let's move on to the top right corner of the Canva editor interface. Look out for the three dots, which seem to represent the More options. By clicking these three dots, you unveil additional editing options within Canva, one of which includes the ability to add links. Once you've clicked on the three dots, the next step is to locate and click on the link option. This is how Canva recognizes your intention to convert this specific bit of text into a hyperlink. This feature is incredibly handy, especially if you're preparing a digital document or presentation that guides viewers or readers seamlessly to external sources like a website or portfolio. Now that you've found the link option and clicked on it, a new prompt will appear allowing you to paste the URL you want to link to your text. This is where you go ahead and insert that portfolio link, website address, or any other relevant URL. Simply copy and paste the link, ensuring that it's correctly entered to avoid any errors when others click on it. The final step in this process is to confirm your actions by clicking on the Done button. This action saves your link, making it an active hyperlink. It's crucial to always double check this step to ensure your link is saved correctly, especially before sharing your Canva design with others. That's it, you've successfully added a link to text in Canva. This straightforward skill can significantly enhance the interactive quality of your designs, especially useful when creating presentations or documents meant to engage viewers and direct them to more resources online. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy design tips. Keep exploring and don't hesitate to make use of all the capabilities that Canva has to offer. Happy designing!